Find the perimeter. This time, because it's a right angle triangle, you can tell that this is a quarter of a circle. So this fraction is a quarter. That arc is a quarter of the full circle. So let's first find the arc. It's going to be, this part is the arc. 2 pi r, radius which is given as 5, times a quarter. And because we want the perimeter, we're going to add on these two sides as well, don't we? So we do 5. This is also 5, so plus 5 2 times. And calculate that in your calculator to get this. 1 decimal place. That's your answer. 38. Find the perimeter. Again, we need to find the arc. It's going to be 120 over 360. That's the fraction of the arc. So we do, this part is the arc. 2 pi times 6 times 120 over 360. And we add it to 6 and 6 to get the whole perimeter. So 6 plus 6. Add it up, and that's your answer. Okay, you're going to simplify it though. If you simplify this, it should be 4 with the pi. So 4 pi plus the 12. Because they want you to put it in exact form, you make sure you don't calculate it with your calculator. Okay? 39, the perimeter again. Okay, so this time they give you the arc again, but we know this arc, but we don't have the radiuses. Yeah? See how these are radiuses, but we don't have them. So we need to find the radius. So I'm going to use the same thing. 2 pi r, we don't know what r is yet, times the fraction of that circle is going to be the arc. That arc is going to be 30 over 360. That is the length of the arc, which is given to us as 20. So now calculate r. So you divide by 2 pi or multiply by 1 on 2 pi, and also multiply by the reciprocal. So 20 times 1 on 2 pi times the reciprocal. Put that into your calculator to get that. To 1 decimal place, you get 38.2. So that's the length of the radiuses. So that's 1 radius. We need 2 radiuses in this case, don't we? Because we want the perimeter. So we do 20, which is the arc, plus the 2 radiuses. So we multiply the radius by 2, and you should get 96.4. Okay, so that's the perimeter. Find the perimeter again in exact value. This time we've got 10, we've got the 10, so this one must also be 10. But we don't know what these arcs are, so we have to find the arc. But guys, have a look. This is a semicircle, and this is also a semicircle. So if I stick them together, they make a full circle. So what I need to do is simply find the circumference of that full circle. But this is 4. So what's the radius? That's the diameter, so radius must be half of 4, which is 2. So I'm going to do 2 pi r. R is 2, half of that. Okay, so the full circle, plus 10, plus another 10. Okay, and add it up, you should get 4 pi plus 20, because 2 times 2 is 4. And that's it. Leave it like that because it says exact value. All right, that's the answer.